1 plus 1 and 2 plus 2 for this type of quizzes. This type of basic sums we all must have done in our school life. Those who don't have degree, they must have done this 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 questions. And today I am going to tell you the method of earning from this, how you can solve math easy quizzes and earn money, and you can earn up to 70,000 in a week, and you can earn lakhs of rupees in a month. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you a very easy method of solving math quizzes and earning, because the method I am going to tell you today, in this you have to solve math quizzes, means they will ask you 2 plus 2 is equal to question mark. You have to select the answer, and next it. Now the question is why this company is paying us, means why this app is paying us, because different. When traffic goes there, means viewers go to their websites, so they get earnings, and different companies who come to them for their ads, and when those companies do their advertisements, they pay lakhs of rupees, and the same app users who go to their websites and install their apps, they get paid. In this payment method, you have to take payment in EasyPay or Just Cash. They will ask you to select your country. You have to select your country and provide your method. There are multiple ways. It is a very earning app. Now I will tell you all the details. I have told you all the details. Before that, I have a request. If you have not subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get such videos. Now let's go to our video. Open Play Store and search for Math Plus. Click on the first app and install it. If we check the reviews, it has 4.4 rating, total 1,38,384 reviews, 5 stars. More. Click on play, wait for few seconds, then sign in with Google. If you have more than one Google account, you can if you have one Google account, it will automatically sign in. You can see the interface math quiz. You have to complete the video. We have to complete the video and convert all the money into dollars. The main point of earning is goals. Click on play quiz, click on play quiz, click on play quiz will be played. So you have to click on submit and you will get 20 goals on one quiz. The more you play means that in few seconds I will solve more quiz and I will get 140 goals. Now you have to keep on playing. If you give half an hour on this, then you can generate good earning. You just have to answer these quizzes. If you work on this properly for half an hour. So you have to do like this. You have to click on collect and submit again. Now if you want to go back, then you have to click on small cross. Now you can see that in few seconds I have 100 goals. Below you can see the Yomic option. You can also do funding from here.